Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Binance How to Trade First Video Trading 3WPG-9YHANS only way. Open Binance, complete verification, then enable 2FA immediately to protect your account. Next, choose a deposit method and transfer a small test amount so you learn the flow without risk. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard, Markets tab, and basic order types before making your first trade. Start by choosing a clear trading pair and checking order book depth for liquidity and slippage. Decide between market orders for immediate fills or limit orders to target a price. Size your position using a percentage of your account and always place a stop loss to limit losses. Review fees and confirm the order details before submitting so you avoid unexpected costs and mistakes. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more guides for you. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading trading guides and notes on the go, with a glare-free screen and long battery life. It's a handy companion between chart sessions and study time and fits nicely in a backpack. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Treat risk management as the foundation of consistent trading success by risking a small percent of your capital per trade. Calculate position size based on stop-loss distance and acceptable risk, and avoid over-leveraging. Keep a concise trading journal logging entry, exit, and emotion for every trade to spot patterns. Periodically review your performance and adjust rules to strengthen discipline and reduce repeating mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.